In this video, we'll be going through the lifecycle of a Symfony request and response. This process ensures that Symfony can handle and respond to HTTP requests efficiently. Step 1: HTTP request. The lifecycle starts when an HTTP request is sent to your Symfony application. This could be a request for a web page or an API call. Step 2: front controller, index.php. The request is routed to the front controller located at public/index.php. This file boots up Symfony's framework and starts the application. Step 3: kernel booting. The HTTP kernel component is initialized. The kernel class is the heart of the application. It loads the necessary configurations and prepares for request handling. Step 4: route matching. Symfony uses the routing component to match the request to a controller action. The controller handles the request based on the route defined in your routing.yaml or annotations. Step 5: controller execution. Symfony then calls the controller's action method. Any required arguments are resolved, such as query parameters or data from the session. Step 6: response creation. Once the controller executes, it generates a response, which can be HTML, JSON, or other types of content. Step 7: event handling. Symfony dispatches events during the lifecycle, allowing custom functionality like logging, security checks, or response modifications. Step 8: send response. The response is sent back to the client, and your web page or API returns the result. Step 9: kernel termination. After the response is delivered, Symfony triggers the kernel.terminate event. This is where post-processing tasks like logging and notifications can be handled. Conclusion: and that's how Symfony handles a request. This structured lifecycle ensures that your application